Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Valentine's gifts for kids is probably one of the most exciting and heartwarming aspects of the holiday, offering a wonderful opportunity to show the little ones in your life just how much they are loved and cherished, and with so many unique and thoughtful options available, finding that perfect present that will bring a smile to their face and create lasting memories has never been easier, making this Valentine's Day a truly special occasion for everyone involved. Number 5. SUNGEMMERS DIY Gem Sticker Window Diamond Art Suncatcher Kits. Unleash your creativity with this all-in-one Suncatcher kit. Everything you need is included to create beautiful, sparkling window decorations that shine. Enjoy a fun and easy crafting experience with no glue or paint required. Simply peel and stick the colorful gems onto the templates for a mess-free activity. This interactive project helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and color recognition. It's a fantastic way to encourage imaginative play. Looking for a great gift or Easter basket stuffer? This kit offers hours of screen-free entertainment and results in beautiful art they can proudly display. Crafted with non-toxic, kid-friendly materials, this kit ensures safe and durable fun. The stickers create a vibrant, stained glass effect. From the makers of Purple Ladybug, this award-winning craft kit provides endless creative possibilities. Explore more exciting designs for even more fun. What we like. This kit provides everything needed for a sparkling window art project. It's a mess-free activity that requires no glue or paint, making it perfect for younger children. If you are looking for a creative and easy craft that results in a beautiful display, this is a great choice. What people say. The product is well made and durable, perfect for little hands. It has a variety of engaging activities that kept my child entertained for hours. The design is colorful and attractive, sparking imagination and creativity. Number 4. LEGO Heart Ornament Building Toy Set 40638. Show your love and passion for design with this unique building toy. It's a perfect way to express your feelings and create something beautiful. This heart-shaped ornament is designed for creative minds. You can hang it on a wall, door, or in a window to add a personal touch to your space. Decorate it with the included bricks for any occasion, like Valentine's Day or other holidays. Let your imagination guide you as you build and personalize. 2 inspirational images are provided to help kickstart your creativity. Build a unique piece of art that reflects your style and personality. This arts and crafts activity is a wonderful gift for kids aged 9 and up. It's ideal for Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, or Christmas. Once completed, it measures over 7 inches high and 7.5 inches wide. It's a beautiful home decoration that you can be proud of. What we like. This building set allows for a highly customizable heart-shaped ornament. It's designed for older kids who enjoy interior design and want to create something meaningful. If you want a gift that can be personalized for various holidays and displayed as home decor, this is an excellent option. What people say. It came with easy instructions that even my 4-year-old daughter was able to follow along and help build with me. I love that it comes with extra pieces to edit to your liking and it doesn't take too long to set up. It's a very cute design and I use it as a decorative piece all year long. They give you 3 options for design and extra small parts, like tiny hearts and colors of the flowers, so you can arrange it to suit your style. It was easy to put together and probably took an hour or so. A very fun build. The LEGO Heart Ornament Building Toy Set is a fun and easy build, perfect for Valentine's Day or the holiday season. With its bright red, white, and gold colors, it creates a beautiful heart decoration. The set includes a loop for hanging, and its charming details like a bow and ribbon make it extra special. Number 3. UpBrands 48 Fidget Zipper Bracelets. Introducing a pack of 48 fidget zipper bracelets, perfect for parties and everyday fun. These vibrant, colorful bracelets are designed to keep hands busy and minds focused. Looking for the ultimate party favor? These bracelets are a hit for birthdays, holidays, and goodie bags. Kids love to share them, making every occasion special. These are more than just toys, they're sensory tools. They help with stress relief, focus, and are great for kids with ADHD or autism. From Valentine's Day exchanges to Easter basket stuffers, these bracelets are perfect for any event. Use them for parties, school rewards, or just for fun. Each bracelet measures 7.5 inches and comes in a variety of bright, bicolor designs. Get a bulk pack for an excellent value, perfect for sharing all year round. With a wide array of vibrant colors, these bracelets offer endless fun. They come conveniently packed in a reusable zipper bag for easy storage and transport. What we like. This is a massive pack of Fidget zipper bracelets, perfect for sharing and parties. They offer sensory relief and help keep hands busy, making them ideal for kids who need a little extra focus. If you need a large quantity of fun, affordable favors for a class exchange or party, this bulk set is unbeatable. What people say. Comes in a variety of colors. There are 3 different cards to choose from. Fit kids and even adults. Made from plastic and lightweight. My son has autism and he loves these fidgets. All 48 bracelets were in the package and, without testing each one, all look like they will work. There was a good variety of bright colors. Number 2. Hicarer Color Changing Mood Locket Necklace. Discover the magic of this unique locket necklace. It changes color with your mood, making it a fun and expressive accessory. Looking for a special gift? This locket is perfect for birthdays or Valentine's Day, offering a personal touch. Specially designed for girls and kids, this necklace is both stylish and enchanting. It's a delightful piece for young ones. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this locket is made to last. Enjoy its vibrant colors and smooth finish. The heart-shaped pendant holds a special secret. It reveals your emotions. It's a beautiful way to express yourself. Watch as the colors shift and change, reflecting your inner feelings. This necklace is a conversation starter and a joy to wear. What we like. This necklace features a unique heart-shaped pendant that changes color with mood. It's made of durable stainless steel and can hold a photo, making it a personal keepsake. If you're looking for a charming and interactive accessory that offers a touch of personalization, this mood locket is a wonderful Valentine's gift. What people say. Chain and latch part work well, and the color change is pretty great, pretty good variety of colors and pretty sensitive to temperature. Opens great, picture can go in both sides, size is perfect, and the glitter is a cute touch. Sturdy chain seems like it will hold up and working locket feature is nice. I'm glad the mood color is typically a blue or purple, looks good. Number 1. Star Wars Yoda One For Me t-shirt. Looking for the perfect Valentine's Day gift? This adorable t-shirt is a charming way to show your love. Featuring the wise Yoda, it's a unique present for any Star Wars fan. Make this Valentine's Day unforgettable. This comfortable tee is perfect for everyday wear or a special occasion. Its playful design is sure to bring a smile. Bring a touch of the galaxy far, far away to your celebration. It's a delightful addition to any fan's collection. Celebrate your love with a touch of Jedi wisdom. This shirt is a fun and thoughtful way to say, I love you. What we like. This t-shirt features a beloved Star Wars character with a cute Valentine's Day theme. It's a fun and casual way to show off fandom and holiday spirit. If you or the child you're shopping for is a Star Wars fan looking for a comfortable and themed shirt for Valentine's Day, this is a perfect pick. What people say. Letters do not fade. Very good quality shirt and made well. Fit is perfect. Appearance 9/10. Great gift for fans and kids. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.